Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how to simplify this tricky algebra. Okay, I'm going to show us the simplest and the easiest way to do this. Solution. We have 1 over x minus 1 over y. Alright, I'm going to change this to division sign, and then we have 1 over x plus 1 over y. Right, so we're going to find the LCM of xy. The LCM of x and y is xy, and we are going to multiply this by this and also this by this. So 1 times y gives us y minus x times 1 gives us x, divided by the LCM here is also xy, and we multiply this by this by this. So 1 times y gives y, x times 1 gives x. Right, so let's change that division sign to multiplication sign. We have y minus x over xy. This will change to multiplication, and then we flip the second fraction. Xy goes up, y plus x comes down. From here, xy can cancel xy. Then what do we have? We have y minus x over y plus x. This is our final answer. In just 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, we're able to simplify this tricky algebraic fraction. Alright, so let's do something similar. Let's try this. Simplify. We have 2 over x minus 3 over y. Everything over 2 over x plus 3 over y. Alright, so let's simplify this and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.